Namaste from me to you. I am Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. From today, I'll start a new series, Focus. That is, follow one course until successful. What will you actually focus on? So, the focus will be on improving spoken English skills. Did you know English vocabulary has more than 500,000 words? More than 5 lakh words. What? 500,000 words? Do I need to learn all of it to speak English? No, not at all. The good news is, out of the 500,000 words, only 500 words are used in 80% of our daily conversation. So, from today, the focus will be to teach these 500 words to help you speak 80% of daily English. So, let's start with A. A bus, a boy, a storybook, a cat, a seat. Now, when we pronounce A, we don't say a bus. The pronunciation for A will be a bus. Now, listen to this. A boy is waiting in the bus stop. A bus is coming. The boy enters the bus. He sits on a seat and takes out a storybook. He reads the story of a cat. Answer these questions. Who is waiting in the bus stop? A boy is waiting in the bus stop. Where does he sit? He sits on a seat. What does he take out? He takes out a storybook. So here it is, he takes out a storybook. A storybook. What does he read? He reads the story of a cat. The second word is an apple, an egg, an octopus, an elephant, an umbrella. Make an effort. Keep an eye on. Lakshu eats an egg every day. There is an apple in the fridge. Brian saw an elephant at the zoo. The teacher told Ravi, "You have to make an effort to speak English more." Tom told Tim, "Please keep an eye on my bag while I go to the bathroom." Now answer these questions. What does Lakshu eat every day? Lakshu eats an egg every day. What is there in the fridge? There is an apple in the fridge. What did Brian see at the zoo? Brian saw an elephant at the zoo. What did the teacher tell Ravi? The teacher told Ravi, "You have to make an effort to speak English more." The third word is and. Come and go. Run and hide. Come and help me. Pen and paper. Listen and practice. Better and better. 4 and 6. Do you have a pen and paper? The teacher told Ravi, "Listen and practice English." Ravi told his teacher, My English is getting better and better. 4 and 6 make 10. Now answer these questions. What does 4 and 6 make? 4 and 6 make 10. What did Ravi tell his teacher? Ravi told his teacher, my English is getting better and better. The fourth word that we are using today is as. As a result, as if, as well as neat as soon as long as. Now listen. Unnati works as a doctor. Ram is as tall as Raj. Shri can swim as well as Sai. Rani says, I want to keep my room as neat as possible. As soon as Yashu opened the door, a cat ran out. Judy said, I will never forget your kindness as long as I live. Is Ram as tall as Raj? Yes, Ram is as tall as Raj. Can Shri swim as well as Sai? Yes, Shri can swim as well as Sai. What happened as soon as Yashu opened the door? As soon as Yashu opened the door, a cat ran out. Today my focus was on 4 words: a, an, and, as. So what do you do? Here is the day's tip. Listen to all the 4 exercises and repeat what you hear immediately. Do not wait until the end. Keep going without stopping. If you miss something, it's okay. Listen to the video and repeat the 4 exercises along with me from beginning to end. Keep on practicing by repeating. Repeat what you hear again and again. That's all for today. Meet you in my next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed, and stay happy. Thank you for being my inspiration.